tend to use a lot of cashews or almonds for our curries, be it non-vegetarian or vegetarian. But today I am going to show you one recipe using walnuts in the curry, which is walnut chicken. The first step is to marinate the chicken. I have about 300 grams of boneless chicken here. So to this I am going to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 whole teaspoon of chili powder. Mix all the ingredients. Let the chicken pieces marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. Toast about 1 cup of walnuts for about 2 minutes. Since the walnuts are very crunchy and creamy in taste, it makes these walnuts a very dynamic ingredient that can be used for making various delicacies. Take a nice white pan. To this add 2.5 teaspoons of ghee. Next add half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Add 2 medium sized onions finely chopped. Next add 2 green chilies slit. After sauteing the onions till they are about golden brown color, add the marinated chicken. Mix well. After 3 to 4 minutes, add half teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix the chicken well until it's coated nicely with the masala. Pour the tomato puree. Mix well. Close the pot and cook for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to grind the toasted walnuts. First, I'm going to grind them without adding any water. Next, add a little water and grind it to a nice smooth paste. It's ground to a very nice and smooth paste. Keep this aside. Add 3 tablespoons of the creamy walnut paste. Mix well and let it cook for about 8 minutes. Check for seasoning and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour half cup of water. Add a few chopped coriander leaves. Close it for 5 minutes and cook. After 5 minutes, open the pot. Finish off with some Kasuri methi. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. So you can enjoy this walnut chicken curry with some nice chapati, naan or roti. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.